Creating a CV is still far more complicated than it needs to be. You choose a template, then another template. You change the font, move a few boxes left, then right, and 2 hours later, you realize you still have not actually created your CV. Paper.cv exists to remove that nonsense. Instead of treating your CV as a file, you publish it as a clean web page that can stay alive and up to date. One format, one clear layout, and one address that belongs to you. paper.cv/username. Yes, at first glance, it may look a little like a read.cv clone. We take that as a compliment. But paper.cv is not a social network, a portfolio showcase, or another platform turning your professional life into a content competition. There are no followers, no feed, no personal branding guru nonsense. Just your experience, projects, education, and the information that actually explains what you do. You can build your CV from scratch or upload an existing PDF and get started in seconds. When it is ready, publish it and share it as a link. And for anyone who still prefers the old-fashioned way, you can download a clean PDF too. So, now that you know what paper.cv is and what it isn't, your CV has officially escaped the PDF folder.